Welcome to this presentation on security issues in wireless sensor networks. We will explore the vulnerabilities and threats that these networks face and discuss potential solutions to enhance their security. Understanding these challenges is crucial for deploying robust and reliable WSNs. Wireless sensor networks are composed of numerous small sensor nodes that communicate wirelessly. These networks are often deployed in environments where they are easily accessible, making them vulnerable to various security threats. Ensuring data integrity, confidentiality, and availability is paramount for these networks to function effectively. We will now delve into the major security issues that plague wireless sensor networks. These include node capture attacks, eavesdropping, denial-of-service attacks, and several other sophisticated threats. Each of these attacks can compromise the network in different ways, requiring specific countermeasures. A node capture attack involves an attacker physically seizing a sensor node. Once captured, the attacker can extract sensitive information like cryptographic keys and routing data. To mitigate this, tamper-resistant hardware and key revocation mechanisms are essential. Eavesdropping is a passive attack where an attacker intercepts communication between nodes. This can lead to a loss of confidentiality and exposure of sensitive data. Encryption techniques like AES and ECC along with secure key management are crucial for preventing eavesdropping. Denial-of-service attacks flood the network with excessive traffic, exhausting the node's energy and causing network failure. Solutions include rate-limiting intrusion detection systems and robust MAC protocols to manage and filter traffic effectively. In a Sybil attack, a single malicious node assumes multiple identities, disrupting routing, voting protocols, and data aggregation. Identity verification and node authentication using public key cryptography are effective countermeasures. A black hole attack involves a compromised node that drops all received packets, disrupting network communication and leading to data loss. Multipath routing and trust-based authentication can help mitigate this attack. A wormhole attack tunnels messages between distant locations, interfering with routing protocols and misleading nodes about the network topology. Geographical routing and timestamp verification can help detect and prevent wormhole attacks. In a replay attack, an attacker replays previously captured packets to mislead the network, causing misinformation and repeated execution of outdated commands. Timestamp-based authentication and sequence numbers can effectively counter this threat. An energy depletion attack, also known as a sleep deprivation attack, forces nodes to remain active, continuously draining their battery power and reducing the network's lifespan. Power-aware protocols and duty cycling techniques are essential for conserving energy and preventing this attack. Several security solutions can be implemented to protect WSNs. These include encryption, authentication, intrusion detection systems, secure routing protocols, and robust key management. These measures enhance data protection, ensure reliable communication, increase network lifespan, and promote trustworthy data aggregation. Wireless sensor networks face significant security threats due to their resource constraints and wireless nature. Implementing robust security mechanisms such as encryption, authentication, and intrusion detection is crucial for ensuring data security and network reliability. By addressing these challenges, we can build more secure and dependable WSNs.